Hi everyone, so today Stephanie, Lolita, and I are going to be talking about flossing, the different types of floss, and flossing techniques. So why do we need to floss? So brushing isn't the only method of effectively cleaning your teeth. Flossing is one of the major oral health cares needed in your daily oral hygiene. Stated by the CDHA, flossing alone removes 80% of bacteria and plaque that a toothbrush can't reach. So how do we properly floss? We use the C-shape technique. So stated by the CDHA, the C-flossing technique is the most effective way for flossing your teeth. You'll first starting by getting 18 inches of floss and wrap it around your middle finger. You will then use your index finger to guide the floss into the contact areas of your teeth. Once in between the teeth, you will create a C shape by wrapping the floss on one side of the tooth. Once you create that C shape, you'll use an up and down motion in between the contacts of your teeth to remove plaque and bacteria. Here's a diagram that will better understand your concept on the C flossing technique. So now I will show you guys a video on how the C flossing technique works.
Flossing is a critical part of caring for your smile, and most of us don't do it enough. That could be because we don't know the proper way to do it. Take a minute and follow these simple instructions. Take about 18 inches of floss and wind most of it around the middle finger of one hand. Take the rest and wind it around the other middle finger of the other hand. Pinch the floss between your thumbs and forefingers, leaving 1 to 2 inches in between. Gently guide floss between two teeth by using a zigzag motion. Do not snap the floss between your teeth. If the floss is hard to get between your teeth, ask your dentist or hygienist about the variety of floss holders or interdental cleaning devices that are available. When the floss reaches the gum line, curve it into a C shape around the side of the tooth. Slide floss up and down against the tooth surface and under the gum line. Repeat for each tooth, including the back side of your molars. Floss each tooth thoroughly with a clean section of floss.
So here are popular types of floss. So the first one is the expanding floss. It helps remove plaque in hard-to-reach areas where there are large gaps in between the teeth. Once the floss becomes wet from the saliva, it will expand and aiding in helping remove the plaque from the large spaces. So the ease through is coated with a non-stick surface, so it's easy to floss into tight spaces. And the Butler weave is designed so it will be shred resistant. So for those of you who floss their teeth and your floss tends to shred while flossing, this is a really great product to use. So brand names of floss are Oral-B, Glide, Dentec, Plackers, Gum, Reach, and Listerine. So the price range for floss can range from $1.50 to $5. You can buy floss at Walmart for $1.50 to $3.98, Shoppers Drug Mart from $1.69 to $4.25, and Amazon $3.54 to $4.25 plus shipping. So there are advantages and disadvantages to flossing. Obviously for advantages, it improves your overall oral health, reduces and prevents gum disease, and being able to properly use the C-flossing technique. So disadvantages, from improperly using the C-flossing technique, you can cut your gums. With having floss wrapped around your finger too tight will cut off the circulation, and with just using regular string floss, it's hard to reach your posterior teeth. So who is our target audience of flossing? Everyone. Everyone needs to floss every day and try to at least floss 2 times a day. So the next thing I'll be talking about are floss threaders. They're designed for fixed bridges involving abutment teeth and Pontics, orthodontic appliances, as well as lingual bars. So here I'll show you guys a demo on a floss threader.
Your bridge is designed with 2 teeth that can retain the tooth replacement. The use of a floss threader is essential to clean below and adjacent to the tooth replacement.
Popular brand names for the floss threaders are Gum, Dentec, Oral-B, Bridgate, Glide, and Life. The price ranges can range from $2 to $13. We can buy floss threaders at Walmart for $2.98, Shoppers for $3.49, and Amazon for $5.62, and can range all the way up to $12.01 plus shipping. So for this, our target audience would be for anyone who has bridges or orthodontic appliances.